Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Pak Preston Tensong ulong baka Sorkar Jela ke Tyrwa ke Sorkar Pedeng bahkan Thied not nak kinong song ke jaka hakatan Khappud kemudian marjan bakari Bangladesh kenang ban la ban punya stat not ke Ker Sainar ha ke jaka Khappud. Uba Preston Tensong ulong bakat kumki kendon ke Ker Sainar ke dia long shis Pak San Pro na ke jaka Khappud jangkari India. Kumtala da Ker Sainar hado shis Pak San Pro kinong song ha ke jaka Khappud kendo ai ke jaka ke jongki. Bat kini ke jaka ken hap no hapok ken no man's land. Berulong bakim persya ke Ker Sainar nomor kelong keberan kam na jinge dai ki patba ki basa ki than Khappud. Uba Preston Tensong ulong bak Sorkar Jela kelapa ra jing tho syakat penat Home Affairs bat penlong ya ke jing kran bak sipai BSF bat ke NBCC bat ke Sorkar Meghalaya kel jing mut belada omla ban penjunsur ya kasis Pak San Pro. Ke Sorkar India kedai mencuk Thied no ki jaka jing patba kenang ban la ban pen ket ria ki nong song bat ki nong rap syaki jaka.
See, border fencing again, we have challenges. What happened is there are portion of our, Indian territory. If we take 150 yards, what happened is within that 150 yards, the village is there with beyond below the 150 yards. It may happen only 50, 60 from the from the pillar. Okay, so there are places even in Peninsula area where we have like that. So now from the government we have written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs, and then I convened personally a meeting also with BSF, with NBCC here, and I impressed upon them that we are not at all against the fencing. We really need fencing. But the issue is if we follow that international norms and guidelines, 150 yards, meaning a village will be well outside the fencing. Then what will happen? If it is well outside the fencing, means it becomes more or less like a no man's land. So now that is the concern, and we have flagged off these issues to the government of India, and we have told them also, in case if 150 yard cannot be compromised, why not you acquire the entire area there? Acquire outright purchase of the land so that the villagers or the farmers can shift from there to other places. So that is the only solution.
Any communication?
Not yet. We are yet, but in such places, as I said to you, even from the state government, we said please stop, don't go ahead with your fencing.